Guys, another example I wanted to highlight about products and services. Let's look at another interesting example. You must have heard of these companies called Boeing and Airbus. Now, these companies, what do? They make planes or aeroplanes. So, this makes them a product company. Now, you have airlines such as Indigo, Go Air, Vistara, Air India, and these companies buy these planes from Boeing and Airbus. They give the customer an opportunity to go from city A to city B, let us say Mumbai to Delhi, and they charge the customer some money for it. So the product was made by Boeing, it was given to Indigo, for example, and Indigo charges money from the customer to fly them from point A to point B. So, what do you think? Is Indigo a product company or a service company? This makes Indigo a service company because Indigo is giving the service of flying somebody from city A to city B, whereas Boeing is making the planes and supplying them to Indigo, obviously for money, well, lots of money. So, this is another example. And then you have websites like Make My Trip or Go Ibibo and many other travel websites which help customers to buy tickets from all these airlines. And here the advantage for the customer is that in one website you can see all the airlines which are your Indigo, Go Air, Vistara and Air India on one website. And these websites, you can buy the tickets and they charge you a little extra money for booking these tickets. So what do you think? This makes Make My Trip and Go Ibibo, does it make it a product company or a service company? This makes it a service company because they are providing you the service of booking the ticket with these airlines who are giving you the service of flying based on the product, which is the aircraft. So I hope this distinction between a product and a service company is clear. I will see you guys in the next section. Thanks.